Aloha there, it's day 2. Good morning. Oh my gosh, I'm really curious about how you're doing. Part of the reason for doing a program like this and having a coach is to hold you accountable. Coaches sometimes encourage you to do things that stretch you a bit so that you can reach your goals. I remember how one of my coaches helped me in a gentle, supportive, yet firm way. He really helped me to achieve some things that I just couldn't do on my own. Now I want to check in to see, how are you stretching? Are you participating in all the activities so far? Did you do the meditation with me? Order the supplements for yourself? Now I've carefully curated these supplements because they facilitate the cleansing process by cleansing your organs of detoxification, and because they begin to replenish your body. I can clearly remember when I started to replenish my body with minerals, I felt so amazing. Now, what about the heavy metal hair test? I sure hope you do that for yourself. It's ridiculously affordable and it gives you a really good baseline of where you're at. Plus, you get results in about a week. Go ahead and leave me a note on our Serious Cleanse Facebook group saying what ways that you're stretching. You know, when you share what you learn, you reinforce the learning and you get to receive and give support as well. In line with our goals to learn about toxins, cleanse them, prevent toxins from entering in the first place, and tracking our toxins, you get to do your very first cleanse today. It's called the Sugar and Gluten Cleanse. This is where I teach you all about those bad guys and how they're probably the ones who are giving you these unpleasant symptoms and what to do about it. There's even a few helpful supplement suggestions that you can take so you can make your experience easier. And I made a little PDF of that supplement suggestion guide below. I offer supplement suggestions because they can help so much with the cleansing process. I just want you to know I don't make any money off of these supplements. Now, I might create some affiliate relationships in the future. Most healer practitioners like myself do that, but for now, I just really want your body to have the easiest time with these different cleanses. So we'll also do a 5-minute meditation practice, and tonight you get to take your first detox bath. I think you're gonna love it and you'll sleep like a baby. I'm so excited to hear about your experiences. Remember to share on our group. Sharing and participating is all part of it. Enjoy your day, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.